properties of light. One is reflection, and second is called refraction, which we will come to later. If there is a mirror, if a light falls on the mirror, this is a light ray, this will be called as incident ray. What will it be called as? Incident ray. ये अगर मिरर में इंसिडेंट होता है तो रिफ्लेक्ट करेगा कि नहीं? Are you able to see your image in the mirror or not? So this will get reflected back. This is called as reflected. Okay. So all these things you don't have to know. Reflection is basically there is a surface which is a reflecting surface. If anything falls on it, it will be reflected back at the same angle. So if this is 10 degrees, this will also be 10 degrees. Always. And this line, this perpendicular line that I have drawn is an imaginary line called as normal. What is this imaginary line? What does normal mean? Normal basically means any line which is drawn perpendicular to the reflecting or refracting surface. So if this is my reflecting surface, what will be the normal line? Like this. It is perpendicular to whichever surface the light is getting reflected or refracted from. Now let's come to refraction. Refraction is the concept that we will be studying in this class. Okay? So let's say this is water. This is a box or this is a jar which contains water. Okay? This is the surface of water. Now, if a light ray, now tell me, if this is the surface, this is the refracting surface, what is refraction? Refraction means, fraction means, it is changing its direction. There is a change in direction. So if light ray falls on this, what will happen? Normal कैसे होगा? ये है ना refracting surface, तो normal तो perpendicular होगा कि नहीं इसके? ये always remember it's an imaginary line. We draw it ourselves. So this is the incident ray in this case. Am I right? This is the incident ray. What is an incident ray? With the ray that falls on the surface, the reflecting surface or the refracting surface, does not matter. Now what happens is air. Tell me, air is denser or water is denser? Water is denser. In case of physics, we say it is optically denser. What do we say? Why do we say optically denser? You know, optics is the study of light. Optics. हम क्या देखते हैं? Why can we see things? Tell me. Not because we have eyes. Because there is light falling on objects. As long as light is, so if I have eyes, very nice, no power, nothing. But if there is a completely dark room, will I be able to see objects? So having eyes, is it enough? Having light is enough. Definitely, isn't it? Light रहेगा तो we will be able to see. The study of light is called as optics. Understood? The study of light is called as optics. Therefore, in physics, when we study the concept of refraction, reflection, which is basically because of light, we say it is optically dense. What do we say? Not only dense, optically dense. So air is optically rare. Rare मतलब क्या? Rare is the opposite of dense. This density is high, density is low. So this is optically denser, this is optically rarer. So whenever a light ray travels from optically rarer medium to optically denser medium, it will bend where? Tell me.
Left hand side.
Left hand side नहीं बोलते. We say bend towards normal. Where does it bend? Towards normal. So it bends inwards. So can I say this angle of incident, and this is angle of refraction? Can I say angle of incident will be more than angle of refraction? When optically rarer से optically denser से. अभी बोलो, ये जो पानी है, ये जो पानी में ये हो गया यहाँ पे, ये जो ट्रांसपेरेंट एक बॉक्स है, ट्रांसपेरेंट बॉक्स, तो यहाँ से भी निकलेगा कि नहीं? Water ray will, the light ray will pass through this and leak from here also, na? So now where will I draw the normal? This becomes the incident ray or not?
Yes.
हाँ, ये reflected ray. इस केस में this was the incident ray, this got reflected, this is the reflected ray. But for this surface, surface 2, this is surface 1, this is surface 2. For surface 2, isn't this reflected ray becoming the incident ray? So normal इधर बनेगा कि नहीं? अभी बताओ, अभी ये है मेरा सोच इंसिडेंट 2. So now it will bend even more towards the normal or not? Even closer to the normal or not? One second. even closer to the normal. So in this case, if this is I2, say for example this is I2, and let's say this is R2. I2 is also greater than R2 or not? It is not true. It will not happen. What will happen here? Tell me. This is denser. This is optically denser. This is rarer. So will it go this side or will it go that side? It will go right hand side. नहीं बोलेंगे हम क्या बोलेंगे? It will go away from the normal. And this is my what? Reflected ray or not? R2. So in this case, R2 will be greater than I2. When R2 is greater than I2, the object is traveling from denser to rarer. When I is greater than R, the object is traveling from rarer to denser.